Hi guys, what's up? So you have a presentation, a live code presentation that you want to show Visual Studio Code, and you want that each shortcut will show on the screen in the VS Code. So for that you need to press Command Shift P for run anything and toggle the screencast mode. So I press it, and now each keystroke, for example Command Shift P or Command Shift X for extension or Command B to close the side nav, I will see the shortcut on the screen so people can follow this in your presentation. And moreover, you have an options in the screencast uh, keyboard. So if you go to settings, and you have two modes, right? The JSON file or the UI file. If you search for screencast, you have all these options, so you can overlay timeout for uh, 2 seconds. So if I press it, it will take 2 seconds. After that, it will go out. I will put uh, will revert it. You have also the font size. So again, you see the size of the font is bigger, and you have here options for change the mouse indicator color, and also this is an important one, only keyboard shortcut need to be a display. If you move this one, so each keystroke it will show on the screen. Generally you want only the keyboard shortcut. So this is the options. This is how to do it, and play with it and have a nice presentation.